Hello children of class 8, welcome to mathematics online class. Today we will be doing chapter 7, cube and cube roots. Important topics: finding cube root using prime factorization, finding cube root without factorization, taking questions from the exercise. Okay, now let's start finding cube root using prime factorization. I have taken 1000 and 100. 1000, we will first find out the prime factors with 2 into 500 or 2 500 is 1000, 2 into 250, that is 250 to the 500, 2 into 125, which is 125 into 2, 250, 5, 25 is 125, 5, 5 is 25, 5, 1 is 5. This is what factorization is complete. Now let's collect the prime factors. These are the prime factors of 1000. 1000 therefore is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. So we have 2 and 5 as factors which are in triplets or which are in group of 3. 2, 2, 2, one group, 5, 5, 5, another group. So therefore the 1000 which prime factors will be 2 into 5, 10. Okay, so we can say that 1000 is a perfect cube because it has prime factors as 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. So 10 is the perfect cube of 1000. Now next 100. Let's take 100. Whether 100 is a perfect cube or not, let us see. Using prime factorization method, 2 into 150 or 150 2 into 50, sorry, then 50 into 2, 100. 2 into 25 or can say 25 to the 50. 5, 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. This is how we complete the prime factorization of 100. We collect the terms here. Therefore 100 is equal to 2 into 2, 5 into 5. We see that in both the cases 2 and 5 being the factors which are not in triplet, not in group of 3. Therefore 100 is not a perfect cube. Now children, take one question from the exercise. Find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Suppose the number is not in perfect cube. Like we have got here 81, 135, 704. I will take first part 81. Whether 81 is a perfect cube or not. If not, we have to find out which is the smallest number that will divide 81 so that it becomes a perfect cube. Let us solve 81. First find the prime factors. 3 27 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. The prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means we have 3 fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we group them because this is a cube, so we'll group them, pair them into 3. So group of 3, 3, 3, 3, one group, and the other 3 is left out. So we say since one of the factor, that is 3, is not in triplet or not in group of 3, therefore the smallest number which will divide 81 is 3. The 3 which is not in a group of triplet, group of 3. So 81 divided 3, the answer or quotient is 27. Now 27 square root, cube root will be 3 into 3 into 3, which is perfect cube. Therefore we take 1 3 out of this group and this becomes the cube root of 27. So that is cube root of 27 will be 3. Now children, another question that I was supposed to do is finding cube roots of numbers without prime factorization. Okay, so let's take one question from 7.2, question number 3. 12,167. First we group the numbers moving from right to left. Group of 3 will be one group. Okay, so 3 numbers, ones, tens, 100. It becomes one group. Then remaining 2 and 1 becomes the second group. So we say group the numbers into triplets with a bar. That is, these are the bars. We group them from moving from right to left, from unit digit to forward. Okay, with 3 digits under one group, under one bar. So this is one group, and the remaining 2 digits, 2 and 1, becomes the second group. Okay, we put bar on them. Now we take the first group according to us, which is a group of 3, that is 167. We find the cube root of the unit digit of this 167, that is 7. So we'll find the cube root of this 7, which is in the unit digit here. 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. Now here the unit digit of this product of 7 cube is 343. The unit digit is 3. So therefore the unit digit of our cube root would also be automatically 3. Now next we take the second group, that is 12, which has 2 digits under it. 2, we'll have to find out where 12 comes. 12 comes between the cube of 2 cube and 3 cube. What is 2 cube? Let us see. 2 cube means 2 should be multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2, that is 8. And 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So the 2 cubes is 8 and 3 cube product is 27. Now from 8 and 27, which one is smaller? 8 is smaller than 27. Therefore, our tens digit will be the smaller product, that is 8 cube root 2. So 2 becomes our tens digit. Thus, the cube root of 12,167 is 2 will be the tens digit and 3 in the unit digit 23. So 23 is the cube root of 12,167. Now finally children, we have finished explanation of this chapter. Now it's time for homework. Homework is find the cube root using prime factorization. The numbers are 8,000 and 3,375.